Most people think of Google Maps as just a navigation tool, but honestly, Google Maps has evolved into so much more. It can help you plan trips, explore places smarter, navigate buildings, find EV chargers, measure distances, and even collaborate with friends and family. There are so many hidden tools sitting right inside the app that can genuinely make your everyday life easier. So in this video, I'm breaking down 10 super useful Google Maps features and tips you should absolutely start using in 2025. So let's get started. Let's start with something incredibly underrated that most people don't even realize exists. Know before you go. This feature gives you a quick snapshot of everything important about a location before you even get there. Just search for your destination in Google Maps and scroll up. You will see a section called Know Before You Go. What makes this so useful is that the information is super specific and tailored to the exact place you're visiting. For example, when I search for the nearby zoo, the Know Before You Go section shows things that I wouldn't find anywhere else, like whether discounted tickets are available or if there are interactive exhibits happening that day. When I check directions to the airport, it suggests reserving a spot saver to skip long security lines and even recommended downloading the Fly SCA app for indoor navigation. Every destination gives you different, relevant tips, and honestly, it's such a helpful way to avoid surprises, save time, and prepare better before heading out. Next up, let's talk about one of the coolest features, indoor AR navigation. Yes, AR inside buildings. If you have ever been lost inside an airport, mall, stadium, or convention center, this is going to save you so much stress. With AR, you hold your phone up and a giant arrow appears on your screen, guiding you through hallways, escalators, lounges, gates, and shops. This is perfect for travelers, especially in huge airports where finding your gate can feel like a maze. To use it, simply open Google Maps, enter your location inside a supported building, tap the Live View or AR button, and point your phone straight. It immediately shows floating arrows, directions, and signs on top of real world. It feels like magic. Now, for all the EV drivers, this one is a game changer. Find charging stations with real-time availability. Google Maps can instantly show you nearby EV chargers, their compatibility, charging speeds, pricing, and most importantly, how many spots are available right now. No more driving somewhere only to find every port already taken. Just type charging stations near me in Google Maps and you will see a list of chargers around you. The little green indicator shows how many total ports the station has and how many are currently free. When you tap on a station, you can also check whether it's a fast charger or a regular one, like 72 kilowatt, 150 kilowatt, or 250 kilowatt. And here's something even better. Scroll down to Know Before You Go section. You'll find super useful insights like charge before 9 a.m. or 11 p.m. for lower rates. Or warning says these chargers are slower than others. It even shows context like located in Fredmere parking lot, so you know you can shop or use the restroom while your car charges. This is incredibly useful on road trips or even daily commutes when you just need a quick top-up. It saves time, avoids traffic frustration, and helps you plan smarter. Up next is a surprisingly powerful feature that most people completely forget exists: Google Lens inside Google Maps. This basically turns your camera into an instant smart guide. From wherever you are, you can open Google Maps, tap the lens icon, and simply point your phone in different directions. It'll label the world around you, showing the names of restaurants, stores, parks, and even your frequently visited places based on the direction you're facing. If you point it towards the north, you will literally see what's in the north. Point it towards south and you will see everything in that direction. It's like having floating signboards in real life. But it gets even better. While exploring or navigating, you can use your lens to scan places around you. Point it at a restaurant and it immediately shows ratings, hours, reviews, and even menu photos.
The Dish Cafe offers breakfast items like Eggs Benedict, breakfast burritos, biscuits and...
It can show nearby amenities like ATMs, coffee shops, transit stations, convenience stores, all with operating hours, rating, and quick actions. It's perfect when you're in a new city and want to discover hidden gems or just understand what's around you without tapping on every icon. Google Lens also helps you translate things instantly. If you're traveling and see signs, boats, or museums in another language, just point your camera at it and the lens translates it on the spot. Let's move on to something simple but life-changing: save parking spot. If you're someone like me who always forgets where you parked, malls, stadiums, concert, festivals, this is going to save you so much frustration. When you park, just tap the blue dot on the map and choose Save Parking. Maps will mark the exact location so you can easily walk back to your vehicle later. No more wandering around clicking your car key in panic. Whether you're meeting someone, driving home late at night, or heading to pick up kids from school, this feature lets you share your live location, route, ETA, and movements with anyone in real time. They'll know exactly where you are and when you will reach. This is especially useful when someone asks how long until you get here, or when you want your family to track your late night drive. To use it, start navigating, swipe up from the bottom, and tap Share Trip Progress. Select a contact and you're good to go. Now let's talk about something hikers, travelers, and even curious people will love: measure distance manually. Sometimes you want to know how far a walk, trail, or a path is, even when there is no direct road or official route. Google Maps lets you manually drop points on the map and measure the exact distance between them. This is perfect for hikes, morning walks, school routes, or even planning cycling trips. To use it, tap and hold anywhere on the map to drop a pin, swipe up, then tap Measure Distance. Now, move the map to Add Points and see the real-time total distance. Another feature I use all the time: add labels to frequently visited places. You know those places you visit regularly but they're not your home or work, maybe your kid's school, gym, favorite grocery store, or your friend's home? You can actually label them so you don't have to type the full address every time. It also shows up in suggestions when planning routes. Or you can spot it on the map like this. Just drop a pin, swipe up, and tap Add Label. Give it a name and it becomes instantly searchable. Tip number 9 is super helpful for travel planners. Make travel plans with Collaborators. This feature is amazing when planning vacations with friends or family. You can create a list like Florida trip, Miami food spots, or New York attractions, and invite others to add places, notes, and ideas. Now everyone can suggest restaurants, landmarks, parks, and activities, and you get a complete group-friendly travel list in one place. To do this, open any place, tap Save, create a list, tap Share, and then add Collaborators. And finally, the last feature makes everything easier. Search for a location and get all related information. When you search for a place, let's say Disney World, Orlando, Sydney Opera House, or even Trader Joe's, Google Maps doesn't just show you a pin, it gives you everything you need in one screen. Photos, reviews, busy times, wheelchair access, safety details, contact information, website links, parking availability, popular dishes, menus, transit options, weather, and events. It also says if it is closing soon. This helps you make decisions instantly without jumping between multiple apps or websites. Just search any place and scroll. Everything you need is right there. So, there you have it. 10 incredibly useful Google Maps features that can save you time, make traveling easier, keep you organized, and help you navigate the world smarter. Whether you're commuting, traveling, running errands, or exploring new cities, these tips make a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below which feature are you going to try out first. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This is Sanjana. Bye-bye.